Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about make money from the comfort of your own home by working online. If you are still struggling to make money or you are just a beginner at making money online, make sure you join my free webinar as I give you the step-by-step guide to get started and make consistent passive income online. The link to join this free webinar is in the description box below. Click on it to join for free. And a quick advice, make sure you watch this video to the end to get the most value out of it. Let's start with today's video without wasting too much of your time. 1. Using social media to spread your message is a great way to do so. Start by giving the public information and resources that will help them. More people will follow you if you connect with your audience. Soon, companies that want to promote will come to you. 2. YouTube. It might take some time to make a YouTube channel that does well. The better your videos do on your channel, the more you know about a subject like music, money, or beauty. As soon as people start to watch your videos, you may be able to put ads on your channel and businesses may start to reach out to you. 3. Many people turn to freelancing to make money from home. Signing up for a service like Upwork or Fiverr may be all it takes to get paid to do a certain job. If you list your name and skills on a website, people will come to you to do their work, and the same goes for your customers. 4. Consulting is the fourth option here. If you are good at something like finance, therapy, or yoga, you can start giving advice to other people online. 5. Making a website or starting a blog is also a fun thing to do for a lot of people. Pick a subject and get to work. Soon, you will be able to start making money with Google Ads. 6. The Certified Digital Marketing Master Program from Digital Vidya will help you improve your digital marketing skills and take you to the next step on your way to making money online if you find this interesting and cool. 7. Advertise a product and get a commission if it sells on Meesho or a similar site. You can quickly and easily spread the word about your products using apps like Instagram, WhatsApp, and others. But before you sign up for anything, think about the safety and security measures. When you work online, watch out for fake websites and businesses. Before you sign up for a website, do your research and read the reviews and comments from other users. Do not work for companies that require long hours but pay less than the market rate. Care should be taken when sharing personal and financial information online. Also, make sure you read any contract you sign before you sign it. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips in this video, but you must take action to get results. And the secret to generating income online is in my free webinar. Make sure you join to learn all the techniques the gurus use to make consistent passive income online. It's available worldwide and beginner friendly. Just click on the link below this video in the description to join the webinar and learn these secret tricks. And don't forget to like this video, leave below all your feedback and suggestions. And if you are new to this channel, don't you also forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you in the next video.